Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Dropbox integration in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This feature connects your Odoo environment with Dropbox, allowing you to automatically store, sync and access file in the cloud. Whether it's invoices, reports or contracts, you can securely backup and share documents directly from Odoo. Simplify collaboration by enabling team access to share files and reduce manual file handling with real-time synchronization. Here you can see a Dropbox connector module. Here you will get a validation pop-up saying sorry, you don't have a necessary permission to access the Dropbox files. So for that we will go into the settings. Under user, we will select a user and in here we can see a Dropbox dashboard field. In here we will select viewer and editor. After saving it, we will again go to the Dropbox connector. And here you can see that you can access all the Dropbox file here. So for accessing all the Dropbox file here, you have to set up a Dropbox instance. You can give the name for the instance, app key, secret key and everything, and you can give everything from your Dropbox account. Here you can see the application I have created as BrowseInfo and one folder named Odoo, and here you can see all the files. Now you can click on the setup access token to get the access token and refresh token. After selecting that, you will get your access token and refresh token here. Now you can see one menu of Dropbox Odoo configuration. You can create your Dropbox configuration here. Here I have created a Dropbox configuration for product. You can see 3 different options for sync, on, create, write and delete. You can select them if you want to automatically sync. Otherwise here you can see an option for sync particular record and you can write the ID of that record. And you can sync it manually. Now we will go into the Dropbox dashboard and here you can see the files of your Dropbox. Here if I open it, you can see the sale order file. Here you can see one image we have on sale order 7. Now for that we will go into the sales module. We will open a sale order and here you can see no images attached here. Now we will attach an image here. You can see I have attached an image. Now after saving, you can sync your Dropbox from here. Click on the sync Dropbox option and here you can see that it is loading. After it is loaded, you can go into the Dropbox connector module. In sale order folder, here you can see a folder has created for that sale order, and when you open that folder, the image will be here. In also Dropbox, when you open the sale order module, you can see a sale order is created and the image is attached in that folder. Now, if I upload an image in the Dropbox, here I am uploading an image in my Dropbox account, and here you can see the image is successfully uploaded. Here you can see the image. Now, if I go into my Odoo and refresh my Dropbox connector module, here you can refresh, and if I open the sale order again, here you can see the image we have connected in our Dropbox account. So like that, the Dropbox and everything is connected with the Odoo. Now you can also drag and drop from your device in the Dropbox connector module. Here you can see I have drag and drop one image and added it from here. You can also upload it from the upload button. You can select any image and you can upload it. Here you can see the message that your file has uploaded successfully. Please refresh. After refreshing, you can see that image. In your Dropbox account also, you can see all the images added from the Odoo. Now there are many options as rename. Here you can rename the image, as I am renaming this image as BI logo 1. So you can see rename successfully. message on top, and also the image is renamed successfully. After that, you will also have one option for version control. You can restore the older version from here by clicking on restore. You can see the file is restored. After that, we also have an option to generate a shareable link. Here you will have different options, and you can select as your needs, and you can generate a shareable link by entering all the details from here. After clicking on generate, you can see a shareable link is generated. You can just copy it and send it to your users. Now you can also delete the images from here directly. Here also in the Dropbox account, you can see the image is deleted. You can also select and deselect the multiple images in the folder from these options. Here we have different options to create a folder, for refresh, to upload, and for going back we have different options in Dropbox connector module. In the operation log menu, you can see all the Dropbox logs. In green, the logs are successful, and in red, the logs are failed. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.